Olaplex is a haircare brand that helps maintain the health and shine of dyed or bleached hair. Olaplex 2 and Olaplex 3 are two of their popular products. Olaplex 2, known as the Bond Perfector, is a salon-only treatment with a higher concentration of chemicals. Olaplex 3, known as the Hair Perfector, is a home treatment that is safer for non-professional use. Both products repair hair damage, strengthen the hair internally, and leave it smooth and sleek. Olaplex 2 should be used after shampoo and color treatment as a leave-in, deep conditioner, while Olaplex 3 is applied to damp hair before shampooing. Olaplex 2 is recommended less often, while Olaplex 3 should be used once a week to maintain hair health. Both products help protect and manage colored hair, reducing split ends and prolonging color vibrancy. Olaplex 2 is recommended for all-over new color or bleach treatments, while Olaplex 3 is suitable for box dye or highlight touch-ups at home. Both products are effective for aging hair, strengthening the hair and preventing breakages. Olaplex 2 requires more time and is used in salons, while Olaplex 3 is easier to use and can be completed at home. For quick treatments, Olaplex 2 is recommended as it is used less frequently. Olaplex 3 is more suitable for travel as it can be purchased at drugstores and is portable. The best approach is to do a few courses of Olaplex 2 treatment followed by Olaplex 3 for maintenance.